In this video I show you how you can create amazing hyperlapse shots with the Insta360 GO2. Let's go! All the shots you have seen were taken with the Insta360 GO2 in the time-lapse mode. To be honest, the Insta360 GO2 blew my mind after I saw the hyperlapse results. In my opinion, the hyperlapses are incredibly good if you consider the shots were made without a gimbal or any other accessories. Just the Insta360 GO2 carried handheld. If you want to create such awesome hyperlapses with your Insta360 GO2, follow these steps. Step 1. Open the case and power on your Insta360 GO2. Then switch to the time-lapse mode and make sure the following settings are selected. To change the settings, long press the record button. If you want to create a standard hyperlapse video for YouTube, select the 16:9 ratio. If you want to create a hyperlapse for Instagram or TikTok, select 9:16. Choose the highest possible resolution, 1440p at 30 fps. The field of view is not important, because you are able to change it in post-production. The next setting is the most important one. Make sure to select the lowest time parameter, which is 0.5 seconds. I would also recommend you to use the vivid color profile. Now the Insta360 GO2 hyperlapse settings are complete and we can start recording. Step 2. This is the part where you can get creative. Find an interesting spot where you can record an awesome hyperlapse. Here are some examples. Option 1, the classic one. Just walk straight forward and record it. Option 2, center an object. Find an interesting object and always try to center the object in your frame. Option 3, tilt up. Walk towards a building and tilt the camera up when you get closer. To achieve the different hyperlapse shots, you can carry your Insta360 GO2 handheld in the case or mount it on your body with the included accessories. Step 3. When you're done with your recordings, we can start with the post-production. You can use the Insta360 smartphone app or the Insta360 Studio on your PC. In this example, I use the Insta360 Studio desktop software. In the first step, you import the raw Insta360 GO2 hyperlapse video. Make sure the flow state stabilization is activated. This is very important for a smooth hyperlapse result. You can choose different FOV options. I recommend you linear. This leads to a dewarped image and an even smoother stabilization result. Now the hyperlapse already looks really good, but you can still improve it. Use the time shift function and speed up your video. Select the start point, click on the time shift symbol and then set the end point. The time shift factor depends on the situation, but I would recommend you to use 2 times or 4 times. The last step is the motion blur option. Activate the motion blur function for a natural looking hyperlapse video. The motion blur effect is only visible after the export. Click on the export button, choose your desired export format and export the hyperlapse video. Now you can enjoy the final Insta360 GO2 hyperlapse. Get creative and try it out yourself. If you're impressed by the results which you achieve with the Insta360 GO2, check out the link in the description and get your Insta360 GO2 now. If you liked the video, subscribe to my channel and look forward to more tutorials, reviews and test videos.